Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the destructuring with array in the REACTJS. So just type this RAFC. This is a snippet for shortcut to get the template of this creation of function. After that, get it to here and import it already done. Then just give the heading here. Control X and press enter. Here use the H1 tag for heading. Control V, and after that let's create a array, const array, that is array list equals to, just give the array brackets 10 comma and give the value something hello, 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 comma, and some kind of value 100 comma, some string again we'll give welcome. Then get this array list, copy this and do the destructuring in the React component. Just give the const, which is here we must remember it, if we are going to destructure array, then you must give the square brackets here. Once again I am saying, if you are going to destructure the array, then we should give the square brackets here while you are doing the destructuring. That we should remember, and give the value t. You can give any variable name. First value we are going to destructure, this is a 10. We need to get that in the variable, that is t and 10 comma. You can give any name here, t comma, like that. I am going to give the 10 for understanding, and hello for h comma 100, HUN 100, and here hello if you want to get HEL hell, and HUN hun, comma, and finally welcome WEL well, and equals to, give the array list. What is that? Array list. Then we have done destructuring. How we have done? It is an array. These are the array values. One by one, 10 is mapping into 10 variable, hello is mapped to HEL variable, 100 mapped to HUN, welcome mapped to well. These are the new variables, the two constant new variables. These are the constant new variables, and those variables are ready to display on the browser. If you want to display it, you can display and check it. And here in the square curly brackets, you can give t and 10 a variable display. Control C, Control V, Control V, and for second one is HEL, and third one is HUN, and fourth variable is that well, WEL. So these are the four variables. After destructuring, we are displaying on the browser. Look on the browser, in the browser it is displaying, it is an heading. After that, first variable, second variable value, third variable value, fourth variable value are displaying here. So in this way we can destructure the array values into variables. And one more concept. First concept we have completed. Second concept in the sense, if you want skip 100, how we can skip it? Just remove this, and don't remove this comma. If you remove this one, what will happen? First 10 it is going to map into 10, hello is going to map into HEL, 100 is going to map WL, and welcome is going to skip it. Only 3 values are mapping into 3 variables. What we are expecting? 100 we are skipping. I mean to say that we want to skip it. So fourth value, if you want it, just give the comma and just comment it or remove it. So Control X, that's better. Then look here in the browser, 10 hello welcome will come, 100 will not come because we have skipped here. While you are doing the destructuring, we use that extra comma. That's why that in this place this 100 is going to skip. So 10 is expected, hello also expected, 100 is not showing, welcome is showing through this welcome. If you remove, what will happen? Just check it. What is happening? Only 10 hello 100 is going to show, welcome will not allow. Yeah, welcome is not showing. So that means it is following the sequence. While you are mapping into variables, it is following sequence. Whenever you want to skip anything, just follow the comma. This is the second point completed. And the third point is that only 2 variables you want to keep it in two values you want to keep it in the 2 variables, and the remaining if you want to get in array, just follow that, remove this comma and use rest operator. Later we'll discuss this rest operator, how it is going to work. As for now, destructuring, how it is going to show. So 10 is going to show in 10 variable, hello is going to show in the hello variable, 100 welcome is going to have as a array, well is an array. So let's check it, refresh. So side by side is showing here. If you want to display them, I already told you that well is an array, it is having the 2 values, so you can display them as a 0th element and next 1th position, so that all the values you can get it. Yeah, 2 values are from the an array, remaining are 2 variables. So this is a variable, this is a variable, this is an array. In that way we can achieve this. These are the 3 ways we can destructure it. And one more way is that if you want to do some logical, I am saying, if you want to swap a value, how could you destructure those? Here simply, so destructuring concept completed, and we are going to know one more destructuring concept, how we are going to swap the values. Just take these values const, and not only taking const, you can take any constant value here, no problem. List is equals to, you can take okay equals to, and sorry, brackets, square brackets, 10 comma maybe 100 comma 300, you can give 200 also for understanding 2, and semicolon. Just how we can destructure it, we can't do const because constant values in the variables we may not rename, we cannot modify constant variable values. That's why I am taking the let, it allows us to modify the value, that's why. And square brackets, we are going to destructure this array, no, that's why square brackets we need to take, and use that TW2 comma THRE3, which is equals to, what I am going to do, just take the list. Yeah, I have taken. Now I am going to display the values. How it is going to display? Like this only. What is the value here? It is coming, the 2, 3 values will come directly. So I am going to give the heading here H1 and close this. Now give the value in this. What is that? TWO2 Control C Control V THRE3, and what we are doing here, we are displaying just the values. So refresh it. 200, 300 is coming, but we didn't do any swapping. So for that, we are going to give one h1 tag with a swapping heading SW swapping concept. Here 2, 3 keep it as it is. We are going to do that destructuring, already done, and one more time we are going to do that TWO2 comma THRE3 equals to THRE3 within the curly square bracket THRE3 comma TWO2. So here what we are doing, just mapping, that means copying. Already in the line number 8 destructure done, and what we are doing, just copying whatever 3 value is there, no, that is these three are same, that means these 3 and these 3 are same. So and these 2 already destructured 2, it is also 2, this 2 is same. So here what we are doing here, just copying 3 into 2, 2 into 3, that means 300 is going to store 2, 200 is going to store 3, that means 300, 200 it has to display on the browser. Yeah, as we expected, 300, 200 is showing. That is one way. And another way is that we can mutate the values. We can mutate the values in the array. It's not very important to remember, just go through this one only. Let, we can give the let here, and what we are, I am going to do this, just I am doing this control X, or we can do just restructure it and hold it, keep it in comment line, then take this list, control C, control V, control V, control V, control V. So what is the values are there here, of 1, of 0, and what is this, of 0, of 1. Let's try how it is going to show. 2, 3 is not showing. So what is list 1, list 2? We don't know. Just remove this, just verify this. And what is 2, what is 3? Here actually 2, 3 values are showing like this. So we have to do that list of 0, control C, control V, control V, and you can remove this control X and give the values here. 0th element what we have, and 1th element what we have, 1. So actually 0th element is 200, first element is 300. So if you display this 0th element, what is the value? It's not 200, already swapped. I think we can swap the values, just look the browser. So 300, 200, that means the array value was mutated. Mutated means changed. This position is 200, this position is, this position 200 is there, this position is 300. But coming to this place, 0th position 200 is not showing. 300 it is showing on the browser. That means 300 value we have pasted in position of 0th position. That's why it is showing the 300 when you print this list of 0. And the list of 0 value is 200. We have mapped to this list of 1. That means 200 becomes 1. That means 300 store in first position, 0th position, and 200 store in the first position. That's why 300 to 200. That means just interchange these two values in the array itself. That's why list of 0 is showing the 300, list of 1 showing the 200. This way we can destructure the values. So that's it friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.